Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Welcome. In today's topic, we're discussing social control. In yesterday's topic, in previous lecture, we have discussed concept of social control. Today we shall deal with the nature of social control. What is the nature of social control? First, social control denotes some kind of influence. Social control means that it is a sort of influence on its individuals, on the smaller groups, through different agencies. Like, the influence may be exercised in various ways by means of public opinion, coercion, religion, police, law, etc. So social control is a sort of influence. It is a sort of exertion of one group on the another group or the society or its individual members. Why is there influence? To control their social behavior, to control their individual behavior, so they may function in a proper way to make the society continuous. Second, the influence is essentially exerted by the society. The influence, it may indicate the entire society's influence over all innumerable smaller groups and individuals. It may denote the influence of a dominant group over several smaller groups. It may indicate the dominance of a group over individual member. जो भी influence है ये society as a whole act कर सकती है over its smaller groups, or it can, the stronger groups can exert over the influence over the smaller groups or its individual members. So the influence is essentially exerted by the society. Third, the influence is exercised for promoting the welfare. Social control is not aimless. It is not aimless. It is not as it is meant for, it is there to serve the general interests of all and to curb the dangerous selfish interests. जो भी selfish dangerous interests होते हैं उनको social control curb करता है, control करता है, so that the individual may act according to the wishes of the whole society. It is necessary to bring the social order, to promote the society, to make the society continuous, to bring the social order, to bring the social harmony. Social control has been there since times immemorial. My dear students, social control is not a new thing. It has been there there since times immemorial. Social control is as old as human society. In the absence of social control, no society can ever hold together its members for any length of time. So the social control is there, has been there since times immemorial. It is no society is without social control. All the society has a mechanism to control the social behavior, which is known as social control. So it's an old system. It has been there for the times, since the times immemorial. It has been as old as the human society. Social control is universal. Where there is society, there is social control. My dear students, whether it had been the uncivilized, barbaric, ancient society, or whether it be the modern society, where there is society, any type of society, there is some sort of this social control. Purpose of social control. What is its purpose? Its purpose is to bring conformity, solidarity, and continuity of the group or the society. To bring conformity, solidarity, and continuity of the society, it is the purpose of social control. Conformity means to bring the individual behavior of the individuals with the wishes of the society. Solidarity means unity, and continuity means the continuity of the society. If there is social harmony, the society may progress in a good way. If there is disharmony, social disorder, anarchy, the society may not work. Social control is continuous. It is not interrupted somewhere. The social control is continuously, voluntary or involuntary, and we may feel or we may not feel it, but social control is continuous. Social control is social. Social control is not an individual influence over the other individual. That cannot be called a society. It is the society's control over its individuals. So it is social. It helps in the socialization of man. The social control struggles, it helps us to bring the socialization of man. Socialization of man means to make the individual very social. To bring the all the social characteristics of social norms in the man. It means to curb the individual interests of man, or the harmful interests of a man, or the selfish interests of a man, to the expectations of the society. So it helps in the socialization of man, to means to make a man fit to the society. So these were some nature. We were discussing nature of the social control. I hope you would have understood. Inshallah, tomorrow we shall come up with some more interesting topic. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.